welcome back to my channel. And today is a very exciting video because today I got in the mail my SOOO Cosmetics that collection. I am gonna do my makeup with the collection. Excuse the mess back there. I'm still currently unpacking from my trip and I'm super excited. I literally got here yesterday and I couldn't wait any longer to open up my package. Ready guys, in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Look how beautiful they look. This packaging is so beautiful. I love how this is like you see how it kind of like changes. I love that. And it's so thick. It says that Beat collection. I love it. And then in the back it says, guys, this is really happening. This is something we've been working on for a while. You officially have it in your hand. Thank you to all that have purchased and have shown us love and support. This wouldn't be possible without you all. And don't forget that you're that B, Karina and Nashma. Super cute, guys. So excited to open it. I still can't get over the packaging. It's so beautiful. Excuse my nails, guys. I just took off my nails, or I just cut them. But here we have some confetti. OMG. Look at how beautiful. Look at how beautiful it is. 4 pairs of lashes, gems, and here we have their mirrors, which are so cute, guys. Honestly, I congratulate them so much. Like, I've been watching Blanca since like so long ago, and I started watching Yvette, and honestly I love watching them. I love every time they upload videos and I'm always there like watching. So obviously you guys know I had to get that collection. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys each and every single one. This one is Karina's mirror. It says that girl. Look at it. Super beautiful, and they have a little, it's so pretty. So this is Karina's. Super cute. Let me show you guys Nashma. Super cute. And hers is bad bitch. So beautiful. I love how it says XO on both of them. Look. XO. Oh, wrong way. Look. XO. Super cute, guys. Now for Kari's, her Soul Tri set. Am I saying that right? I don't know. But the time is finally here. Let me put you on this summer with the sultriest lashes that will make you feel like that girl. Introducing Dream Girl. She's soft and gentle with the perfect wisp to make you feel like everyone's fantasy. No Boys Allowed is wild, bold, and dramatic. This lash will make you feel empowered and fearless. Love yourself, baby girl. Look at guys, it's so pretty. Look at the lashes, they're so beautiful, and it comes with their glue. Super excited. And then Nashma's eyelashes is called Baddie Set. Cute, look. So beautiful. And hers says, period bitch, it's officially summer, and you know what that means. I wanted to put y'all on what my favorite lashes are to make me feel like that bitch this summer. Baddie is fun, flirty, and bold. The perfect lash to stand out and pop with its long wisp effect. Period is perfect for an everyday baddie look with its cat eye effect that will make you feel like that bitch. I love this, guys. I love it so much. I already want to wear it. But like, this is Nashma's. Oh my god, not my nails, guys. This is Nashma's. They're super cute. Nashma's sponges. Look at this. Look at them, so cute. It says XO Cosmetics, and then they're super cute. Look at this green. I love this green color. It's like a lime-ish. It says XO and Karina's. Now this orange is so beautiful. It feels like a peach vibe, and then this bright pink is so pretty. The face gems, guys. I've never actually used face gems, but we are going to try them with today's look. So today we're going to use the green sponge because I love green. It's such a cute color. Like, there's so many shades of green. Like this lime one, there's dark green, and honestly this lime color is so beautiful. Okay guys, so let me put my hair up real quick. Just like that, kind of quickly put my hair up. But here we have my sponge. Okay, so I'm using Studio Fix by MAC in NC20. Okay guys, so I kind of did my makeup. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight to my nose. I love adding a lot of highlight to my nose. I love when it's like right now, like it's hella shiny. A lot of people don't like that, but I like that. Anyways, we are done with my face. So now we're gonna go with eyelashes. So we're gonna go with Garina's Sultry Set. Okay, so I kind of want to do the very first one, I believe, Dream Girl. Okay guys, so now that I have curled my lashes, clear glue, I'm gonna put a little bit. Apply some at the edges. I always make sure there's like not a lot like it's falling off, but more in the edges because that's where like it clips on, you know. Guys, look at how beautiful they are. They're like full. Okay, there you go, guys. Super cute. I don't know if this happens to anybody else, but there's always one eyelash that's easier to put on. For me, it's the left one. Because you guys saw, I just put it on right here. I kind of struggled in the corner right here. But this one was so easy to put on. But they are honestly so beautiful, guys. I love how they're like full from the bottom. There's like a lot and then there's a little less on the top. They're so beautiful. I just can't get over how beautiful they are. But now we're going to quickly do some lipstick. Super cute. Lipstick and eyelashes just makes the makeup look more like. Now we're gonna try to put some. I might just put one in the inner corner because honestly I've never put gems in my face. But it says, "You're a gem girl, now shine like that bad bitch you are. Create the hottest looks instantly using our candy color face gems in variety of sizes." So like I keep on repeating and telling you guys, I've never used gems in my face, so let's try this out. If my look comes out a little like, girl, what the hell are you doing? Just deal with it, please. What is my look gonna go for? I kind of want to put one like right here, but I don't know, guys. I don't know. Help, send help. Okay, guys, so since it's my very first time trying on gems, I'm gonna do the most basic like gem. So I'm just gonna put one right in the middle right there. And let's see. So first I'm gonna add a highlight because I always wear highlight like in my inner corner, and then I'm gonna add a gem, and then that's gonna be my final look. Okay, I think that's enough highlight in my inner corner. So now for the gem part, should I put it like up here? Maybe, huh? That would look nice. Should I do pink? Pink? Yeah, because I'm wearing pink. Am I gonna wear pink outfit today? No. But I don't know why I'm so scared, guys. I've never done this before. Should it be a little higher? Should it be there or a little higher? No. I'm gonna do there, and I'm gonna do another one here. Actually, guys, change of plans. I'm not gonna do one anymore. I'm gonna do 4. I'm gonna do one right there, one right there, one right there, and one right there. Because I like it. I like being like hella extra. You know what I mean? Super cute. I'm excited for this now, guys. Like, okay. Hold on. Hold on. Panicking here, guys. You know what? We're applying you right now before I drop you. Wait, a little higher. We're making progress here, guys. I am someone for you guys to know, not to never give up, not to never. Is that how you say it? Okay, no, that's a little too far. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the last one right here. Wait, should I do more like here, here? Just kidding. Oh my god, guys, it looks so pretty. Okay, guys, we're doing good. We're doing good. Okay. You're stuck. Mm-hmm. Super cute. Guys, look. Should I be like that? That's cute, huh? Okay, I think I'm gonna do 4 like that. Super cute, guys. Honestly, I loved it. So cute. So now I'm gonna do this eye off camera and then I'll come back to close it off. Guys, so I am officially done. This one was a lot harder, guys, like being like this one, but this one's a little lower than this one, but who cares? It still looks nice. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna take my hair down. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. Super cute. I got my gems and my lashes. I did my makeup with their makeup sponges. Everything came out so beautiful, and congratulations to Yvette, Nashma, and Karina for their collection. It's honestly so beautiful. I'm definitely going to keep putting gems with my makeup looks. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. That way you guys can notified every time I upload a new video. Once again, congratulations to the 3 beauties, and I can't wait to keep trying on more lashes from them and their gems. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys.